Hello kids at home, and today we're making chocolate milk. First we start with milk. First a cup, then milk, and pour the milk in. If you want the whole cup, or if you want half. And now we get the chocolate powder and open it. Only 3 scoops. 1, 2, 3. Now we put the spoon back, close the lid, and close the milk lid. And now that our chocolate milk has chocolate powder and milk, but it's not ready yet. Now we stir it until it looks a bit light brown. Keep stirring. And keep stirring. Let's see if it's good. No. Keep stirring. And make it whirlpool. Is this right? It's perfect. Now we drink it. Okay?